Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, I sure hope you've been having an amazing day thus far. Now, guys, obviously, I'm not perched up here with the background of the San Francisco Bay out my window and, with the San Francisco Bridge right behind me. Guys, right now I'm actually in Memphis, and there is a major storm going on. We got tornadoes touching down, golf ball size hail, and all this. So I'm not actually going outside and I'm taking this shelter inside. So I thought, hey, I'm going to come in here and do this video. And I thought, I'll do it with this background on here. Now, normally I don't ever use a background, but guys, I'm visiting at friends and stuff like that. So just kind of protecting their privacy. Now, guys, some big time things have happened today. And this one kind of slipped under the radar for a lot of folks because, of course, today being April 2nd, all the tariffs have been imposed and on and on and on. RLUSD just got listed on Kraken. That is a big time exchange here in the United States. And guys, this is a big deal. Why is this such a big deal? Guys, RLUSD with Ripple's major stablecoin is taking a major bite out of the stablecoin market, and especially when it was competing against USDT, and in Europe, it with USDT not being able to actually fulfill those MiCA rules, it is going to probably take another chunk out of it. Now, you get a big, exchange like Kraken listing RLUSD, guys. Who do you think's coming next? Well, my guess is Coinbase and different ones like that are going to come next. Why? Because guys, they don't want to be able to get out there. They're going to compete with one another, of course. And on top of that, RLUSD trading pair for XRP is going to provide some major liquidity for XRP. The speed in which it moves and all of that. I mean, just think of how USDT provided liquidity for Bitcoin and how USDC provided liquidity for Ethereum. Well, RLUSD is providing liquidity for XRP. Now, even with RLUSD in terms of like the exchanges and the trading pairs and all that, outside of that, it is being incorporated for cross border remittances as well with major institutions. And this is a big deal. And why, guys? Because a lot of people say, well, RLUSD is going to replace XRP. That is absolutely not even close to what the truth is. In fact, I was there. I went to the XRP Vegas conference. And a really great subscriber, Zach, actually brought me to the Chamber of Digital Commerce. They were having this massive meal and whatever. And I was sitting probably, 10, 12 feet away from Brad Garlinghouse, who literally on stage had said, listen, if people think we're replacing XRP with RLUSD, they have lost the plot. Guys, the deal is when you're utilizing and using RLUSD, of course, it's being operated on the XRP ledger. Guys, you are burning XRP to do that. That right there is a massive deal as well. And so you have got to have XRP in there for every RLUSD transaction. But on top of that, guys, it's how they bring in a lot of institutions that are already in the ODL platform and major banks and this and that, where RLUSD fulfills some of their fiduciary responsibility. When you're dealing with major financial institutions like banks and things like that, if they have gone out there and they have actually made a transaction that turns out to be fraudulent, or there's all kinds of nefarious things going on, guys, according to the law, they have to have the ability to claw that back. Well, you can do that on the XRP ledger utilizing RLUSD. A lot of folks have said, see, they can claw back your XRP. No, guys, they can't. You can't do that with XRP. And so as a result, this fulfills a major requirement for a lot of these institutions. And that actually helps the XRP ecosystem. In fact, David Schwartz came out and really explained the relationship to that, saying how XRP is so fundamental to the whole ecosystem that Ripple utilizes on the XRP ledger that you cannot live without it. And it would require XRP to have a high price when it goes down that way. And guys, we know that it is. What is one of the biggest deals right now in the wide world? Well, of course, it's stablecoin legislation. And with stablecoin legislation, guys, around the wide world, I mean, you've got every jurisdiction around the world racing to finalize their stablecoin legislation, and a big demand for stablecoins is ones that are tied to the US dollar right there. And guys, what they're talking about is moving away from the petrodollar to the crypto dollar to build that up and sustain the United States world reserve currency status. That is massive for this space and, of course, for the XRP ledger and XRP. Now, I would encourage you to go out now. I'll put the article right in here where it's talking about this listing, but I would encourage you to go back and peel back that onion and see how and why, because of course it's so much more than you can just kind of cram into a 10-minute video over here. But there is a lot of information out there where really you can see the utility of this, how this is going to play big time for XRP and the XRP ledger. And don't miss it, guys. Don't listen to the nonsense. And I know I got to get out here and say it every day, because no matter what we say about XRP or the XRP ledger, there is 1,001 guys that just hop on there to lay down every kind of fear, uncertainty, and doubt that they can. And of course, they're out there saying, well, you see that all that good news, no movement in the price. Well, guys, what you're not getting told and all that is the macro environment. You cannot just take one piece of news and expect it to absolutely blow the doors off of the price. But furthermore, it wasn't but just a few months ago we were trending around that 50 cents. And I remember back at that time when we were at the 20, 30, 40, 50 cent range, I would come out here and I'd say to people, hey, listen, have you reached your accumulation goals? Do you want to be accumulating at 2, 3, 4, and $5? Or do you want to accumulate now when it's at 30, 40 cents? And guys, I'm telling you right now, would you rather be accumulating at 10, 15, $20, or would you rather be accumulating right now around that $2 range where we've been ranging in there? Guys, it is phenomenal that XRP has held up as strongly as it has in this macro global environment, this economy, because you've got a lot of indices that have really been hurting big time. And for percentage gains, XRP has far outdone any other digital asset in the last 5 months, like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the top 10 or any of that. Not for market cap, guys, but return on investment. I had folks get on there and they would throw in the comments, oh, yeah, XRP is only $2 and Bitcoin's, oh, it's like 90 grand. Yeah, that's true. But even if Bitcoin was to actually move, 100% goes to $180,000. That's a 100% move, which, by the way, is actually pretty phenomenal when you think traditional markets. Well, if XRP was just to get to $10, what's that? That is a 500% move. It all comes down to return on investment. Now, let me ask you this. Were you buying your XRP just to dump it when it hits $10? Because I'll tell you, a lot of folks are saying, hey, when it hits that, most of retail is going to be out. Most of retail is going to be out. That's what they believe when it hits $10. And I'll tell you what, for those that have that nerves of steel and they're looking down the road, and you may have a bag to hold and a bag to sell, because I'll tell you what, those that are looking down the road, a lot of folks are saying, that's where the lion's share is coming in. When you're watching XRP trending at the $50, $100 and all that kind of stuff. And guys, think about it this way. For everybody right now that is selling into fear, somebody else is buying into risk, aren't they? Because for every sale, there's got to be someone on the other end of that transaction buying it. Why, oh, why would they be out there gobbling up that fear? Because they have this appetite for risk. If they thought that it wasn't going anywhere, it's because, guys, they have the stones for it. They know what's coming and they have no problem doing it. Now, you know who's gobbling it all up? And you can check this yourself. Massive whales that already hold millions of dollars of this XRP. You know who they're gobbling up? They're gobbling up all that retail fear. People that have just absolutely capitulated. They're dumping their positions on and on and on, thinking it's going to go no further. And right behind them are all these whales that already hold millions of dollars of it, just laughing themselves crazy, gobbling it all up. Now, you think about this. Back in 2017, XRP starts off the year under a penny. Well, mid-year it got to about 20 cents, which is a phenomenal move to be sure. But it tinkered along there for months and months and months and months, to the point where so many people capitulated and said, you know what? I'm just going to take what profit I got and be happy, because, I would have never seen that in the traditional markets. And then one day, now you can check this chart for yourself. bang, fired off like a rocket and shot way up there to what, $3.84. Now, can you imagine if those folks had not capitulated and they had just held on, the amount of percentage gains that they walked away from in that regard? Guys, you got to have a conviction, but you've got to be able to know what you hold. You got to be able to understand the ecosystem that you're in. Do not let anybody talk you out of your dreams just because they gave up on theirs. Guys, think about it, and you make that plan according to what's here, not what's out here and all that kind of stuff. Because when you do, you're setting yourself up, in my estimation, to get totally wrecked. Don't miss it. There are so many absolutely amazing fundamentals that it just screams in my mind when I see this kind of stuff. And I think this is absolutely crazy. You are going to watch all of these major exchanges start listing RLUSD. You're watching all these XRP ETFs coming in. You're seeing stablecoin legislation getting pushed forward. You're getting the regulatory environment that we've all desired and wanted for years. And this case is away and all that. All the fundamentals are screaming bye, 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 at least to Judy and I. And you got to go out there and make up your own mind. Now, having said all that, reading another article here where you got these technical analysis guys saying, listen, XRP is so oversold, it is crazy. And they are expecting a big bounce soon. Now, of course, we don't know when that's going to happen, but guys, I suspect it will happen soon. When you're in an environment where it is so oversold like it is now, and most people are just like in fear and all that, you got people shorting it and that, guys, I'll tell you what, have we ever seen some liquidations in the past, haven't we? And I think this thing is ready to literally take off. I genuinely do believe that. I've been here enough times to see it happen. That's why I do believe it, because, hey, experience is one amazing teacher, that is for sure. And wouldn't you agree that the answers that we go out there and find for ourselves are the ones we trust the most? So why would you absolutely listen to this noise and let yourself get talked out of something just as much as you could ever let yourself get talked into it? Just there and research it and find out what you see. But I'll tell you, for Judy and I, we have got that ticket. And I cannot wait till this thing literally blasts off, goes way past the moon and straight through Jupiter. And guys, I'll tell you what, I want you on that ride with me, to be sure. So till tomorrow, when we have another amazing video. And by the way, none of this is financial advice. You're just getting my 2 cents. But guys, that's why I'm always out encouraging you. Yeah, it's my 100% biased opinion, but you get out there, research it, really research it for yourself, guys. I think your eyes will be open big time. And until tomorrow, when we have another amazing video planned for us, have a fabulous one, guys, and take care.